Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M04 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access themes section. Now tap on themes at the bottom left corner and click on the search bar at the top right one. Finally, you can type in wherever you wish to and install the best theme for you. I will go with this one. Now tap on download, wait couple of seconds and tap on apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, go into settings again, scroll down and choose themes. Then click on menu at the bottom right corner, select my stuff next to wishlist, click on default theme and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!